Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a password in Dropbox in 2025 so your files and folders stay protected when you share them. First, log into your Dropbox account on your computer. Go to the file or folder you want to share and hover your mouse over it. On the right side, click the Share button. A window will pop up where you can create a link. If a link already exists, you'll see it here. Now look for the option that says Link Settings or Settings next to the link. Inside the link settings, you'll find the option to add a password. Click it and type in the password you want people to enter before they can open your shared file or folder. You can also set other controls here like expiration dates or who can view versus edit. When you're done, click Save. Now, copy the link and share it with your team or clients. Only people who enter the password you set will be able to open the content, and that's it. That's how you set a password in Dropbox 2025. Simple, secure, and done in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this one.